Do you have to tap a Tesla taillight to open the charge port? Stick around and find out. Hey, it's Tori Hornsby with Tesla Tips and Tricks, and today I want to talk about why people tap the taillight with the charger on their Tesla. Is it necessary to open the charge port? No, not at all. In fact, tapping it does nothing. The way that you open up the charge port on a Tesla is there is a button on the actual charger itself. When you press that, as long as you have a key, when you press that, the charge port opens. Those who've watched any of my videos will know that I'm a huge proponent of using the voice commands. So this is how you can open up the charge port by voice command. Open charge port. And now it's open, and it brings up the charging screen here and here. Lets me know, Vital X and S will let you know on this screen that the charge port's open. Close charge port. And now it's closed. And this one, I got to do it. I just have to. I'm not a fan of this one. It just feels weird saying, but I have to. Just follow me here. Open butthole. What? I'm just not a fan of that one. I mean, I guess it's funny, but I'm not a fan. So another way you can open the charge port is just by manually pressing on the charge port opening lens. So if I press in, it will open the charge port. Now, a lot of people will do this with the end of the charger. I don't recommend you do that. That hard plastic of the charger on the lens will scratch it. Definitely. Over time, it will definitely do that. But it's so much easier to just use the button on the end of the charger. So that's what I typically do. But you can also manually close it just by giving it a little pull down, and then it'll take over and know that you want to close it. So press in on it and then pull down a little bit. It's another way you can open your charge port. So it also unlocks the charge port from the car. So now the charger is in the car, and if I tried to pull it out, it won't come out. It is locked. So the only way I can get it out is I can press this button. I can also go in the car on the screen and I can tap on the vehicle and say unlock charge port, and it will unlock it that way. But if I press this button right here, it'll turn blue, then it'll turn into a rainbow pattern and I can pull the charger out. So why do people tap the taillight? Where did that come from? Well, it was just something quirky that somebody did to be funny once, and it caught on, kind of like clicking the kitchen tongs. If you're cooking with tongs, and note I didn't say cooking in thongs, that could be dangerous, but when you're cooking with excuse me, but when you're cooking with tongs, you tend to grab the tongs and you click them. Everybody does it. Like if you're grilling outside, you click the tongs a couple of times when you grab them. It's just something that you're supposed to do. So in that spirit, somebody tapped the taillight once, hit the button, made the charge port open, and people thought that was funny, and so they started doing it. Now, I will tell you that a lot of the veteran Tesla owners, this is a pet peeve. It gets on their nerves. They say, oh, you're going to scratch your taillight lens. It's so annoying because it misleads people. I think that it was in good fun. I've done it a couple of times just in the same spirit of clicking the tongs, not because it does anything, not because I'm trying to trick people. I just think that it's funny. So that's it. That is how you open up a charge port. That is why people tap the rear tail light completely unnecessarily with the charge port. And that's also how you unlock the charger from the car. It's all in this button on a supercharger or on a wall connector home charger as well. I'm Tori Hornsby with Tesla Tips and Tricks. We'll see you next time.